I mean, the court was right.
Okay.
And knowing those judges, the three of them, I knew, say, look, they will not tolerate this nonsense. For me, a nonsense.
Nonsense, you call it.
Hey, to come to court and tell we are seen as a kata when you be questions. Now we are witness. We bring the pan video number 12 on Musa. We number 12 on Muanazu.
Yeah.
Why na Muanazu? It's more number 12 man. Common sense will tell you that you cannot be my accuser. He had over quarter, over the champion number 12 now. So then Kwesi was also going to expose Anas by showing the true video. Not sharing intent. So ultimately, until the court of appeal was right.
And we say no, or who quite say or sign appeal na their court on account.
Consider, of course, if no, it's the state.
Yeah, the prosecutors.
If the state want to pursue, they can go to the Supreme Court. And then on final order, they can go there. But you see, the Supreme Court, in earlier ruling, and then the court of appeal touching on the Supreme Court and earlier ruling said, on to me for any report.
Exactly.
The court of appeal yesterday's ruling said, the even trial judge, in a way, or a mistake, because he was banned by stare decisis. Let the stare decisis, lower courts now follow the judgment of a higher court. So the high court is bound by the decisions of the court of appeal. Court of appeal is bound by the decision of the Supreme Court. It is only the Supreme Court that through public policy can change its own position. So the court of appeal yesterday says, who high court judge, in an earlier ruling, the court had made pronouncements say, on to me, it was a follow.
And then one final you
Yeah. Judge for Jumabu not a true. And they are possible. Be an ass, will be or so, and I blame this current judge because of no inherited case.
Okay. Obedi assembly work.
Obedino.
Okay.
There was an earlier one. On the crowd, your car said, and asked him on Captain. But this one made a partial to it. Say, obey me, a baby being a new or no chamber by your open court.
Yeah.
But when they went to the Supreme Court, said no. To me, for him, questions, is possible. So in any of those ways, they were said the case was bound to fail. If the state intend to pursue with other witnesses, they are liberty to do it.
Okay, and to me about say Omobeyi and now testifying every now or other people.
Yes, some other people are now they should have their witness statements. And I said they should go to court to seek leave, permission of the court.
Okay.
To say, we intend to call other witnesses. It's a final witness statement where they are. I know the court will allow.
Okay.
But whether or not, no more another matter to discuss.
Okay.
So in the light of this ruling, I doubt whether the state can pursue it and win. I doubt.
Say Abia, I confirm for us or media dancer without an answer. No, I want to mean call baby.
It is because we have seen the original video.
Okay.
And I have watched the number 12. Original video, minimum. And original video shows you where the room that Anas was sitting.
And the Omo cutting or Oma edited the abache, and we or any part.
Yes, so then you ask yourself.
Intention. Okay.
Intention here. So ultimately, the judges they live within us. Almost so every other year we be on on record. Almost 70 actually. So it's your own TV they verify. To two on the team will be no TV. You said in pay papa. And a judgment at the trial court by Justice Ba. And I sorry as Agyapong. It shows clearly. Say what the gentleman is doing, and yet for the benefit of any Obia in the Republic, but to himself.
Or no one has any interest in
any interest, no one, whether monetary or whatever interest, they don't want to do. Yes.
Now, say Abia, state no able to me, I can say, okay, ya wonchrophobia omunima nas and even though wakata nanim no omoma ba identify na ya man testify e betumi abamuza
yenka say anas ne nyo no anas no in issue is a person be kata manim ma be gina court
okay
let me do dance and then the accused person is saying no una odi asema to me so you am accuser I should know you and you so kata wani ma me de me ntiase wakwa do court of appeal
okay
na court of appeal say yes we agree with the accused person and you ubeba be gina kasa say una o ya anas I remain anas na you should take off the mask.
Now all this while, no, or or yeah accused there were asemimo no, anas without mask no, sa number 12 video anymore, and now the original video now come.
Original video no yes.
Without the mask.
Because yes, okay. Because original video now yeah what was you be no. Hotel no, no ati. Now no anas na when must make because when you do the videos in my when you try or to different room. And ya set system no say only security here na on the across you say obi wa chire
okay
but me minim no me na me am guest and I will busa me questions I will busa me ya no nyina no
efri nipa no nipa na me hu no
hu na me so nim say nipa bia obabia me dem nisa me no nkwa na tia
yeah
and I ko ba sa enti original video na kwasi hu na you share was what say na dey tia until Sanka court to look at some for the minimum pumbra, then because he was going to release the original one.
Okay. To show Senya one, but original video no more court. On fan call. There be. There was an interim issue or preliminary issue. Whether or not the gentleman can come to court and wear mask to say so many anas. And then the accused person says no. I won't allow. And of course, so say, no allow. You must know your accuser. And he doesn't come under any of the exceptions. Okay. Security. Okay, exceptions for her. Say, be will be better to me. I can tell you, I be questions for court. Why no more
security? Will be a BNI 4 year undercover a Juma B. Now, my papa peeing for phobia on person or ye who and now more BB. No many information in the about. For the sake of say, you better protect you. Then that the court may allow.
Okay.
Say, wait there. Or more security in Kofor, I am more that clearance. So much me say you man. But anas is a journalist equally like you. Who protection so we make you up say you man. So we need. Indeed, why should he be giving preference?
Okay.
Against any other person? So the court was right. The court was right.
There's a Jumana, oh, you know, Mremono, and Yadia, Aquina, so be kata when him now, the Abacourt, or you can kata when him for a Jumana away, but what mean kata when him court?
More so when it has to do with criminal cases.
Okay.
Because I know there's somebody's liberty is at stake. Until you say prove beyond reasonable doubt. American put the reasonable doubt to say back up a jury no back up a cassette. Many any past 6 now, that's a 12 in your you are acquitted and discharged.
Yeah, I had them there.
Yeah, I have numbers no. Beat 3 4 na quite hang jury.
Not
any I have 7 jury 7 or so yes. Now quite hang jury. So 5-2 that's when your conviction will be like that. So it must majority. But America there. And Tisa,
okay,
because somebody's liberty or prison, no can tell you the freedom. And normal who you been out here bonti. Exactly. Imagine who crowd them, how you struggle to get out. And truly, the court of appeal was right.
Okay. You share anas any nejuma or ye Ghana hano. Emremuno, to say honorable Kendi Amudi, Emremuno judges no anase or more semination who say, yes, you are a journalist and you can do your work, but a nemani be one susua, Ghana Mrano and Mount who finds so enti ye koye nimu yi no se ebia wo ho wo ye timamuni na se obi eba se bia o me journalist me pese me yo se wan kasa no enema ben sa na wo se o so that you don't fall prey to enema bi sa no
senka maba na me no udi nkomo na ye nkomo ne de adu ba bi se be gi bribe through ho clear which means maybe I call bribe na me here and ko ba sa de a different matter
okay
but we dey agenda you say wo particular person and the person oh you go any mass enti ya social list I mean say unim sanka nipa na okuta videos no o yi na ni mapia betena sia mo atensema ka judges na pam mo nyina nga ya from mo back do to practice as lawyers
okay they say omo practice as lawyers
yes omo kebe compensate bi
sir
o kan some ni kire wa ensem a o kan backing with videos kebe compensate bi ebi wo kra etumi sheda e no clerk eye one ne na hye adwuma di wo no o de bag am clerk on fa siw kam ma
ne de record that
on check ogina o ebi ase de o ji aponchi na show kam ye wi ani yi ye wi ya nyas ya capture that ade no keto abi no tie ba be years o ko ji aponchi.
Make your browser fast. Make your browser safe. Make your browser Chrome. Choose Google Chrome for your computer.
Dad told me, say, Oko, baby, outside Ghana, because she a colleague Nigerian guy. Don't catch any society we say Nigeria jump crowd to me. Put me at the Nigeria jump crowd and you want me.
Then I didn't see Ghana, dear Yama who coin us and may also.
That's a Ghana, Yankasama. You see, Ghanaian, look at Ghanaian as well. Opesoka Ghanaian as well. I to see a chunk of America deport you. Obi to us, oh, minim Ghana for your winning crata. Say, Mom is Kadia, Meka. See, Alatenu will never do that.
Yeah.
Unless no problem, no. More pack of good point here. But mean so much, also damage your life.
Yeah.
Here also, I thought that any courage, to withstand the normal be and look at it and say, look at you, you're right.
Yes, because it took Honorable Ken Agyapong. And I am my young say no, I can't only interest in oil.
Exactly. And no crowd brought brands and the agent too. It's easy. No, it wasn't easy.
But I said, Ansana Bibia Babonte, no, they can win public.
As simple. And I mean, it's public trust. Let me put it that way. And to change, I don't know. And easy. It was so tough and difficult. At a point in time, Ukoko truly wadam for lawyer creating commander and as assembly more. He only says I know you do a thing with the team. Because I go with Junior, we better fight.
Oh, how why?
And a senior lawyer told me, you shall never put us here. But the harder what you see to my with Jerry, so say no Zade. Or say no me senior lawyer. Probably he has the largest law firm in Ghana.
So on no crown case we go near today.
Me sure. Or catch him was it me who you know as a day. Or yeah, on Tiasia.
By the end of the day, you won the case.
Of course, yes. And then you went to Supreme Court, praying the court to quash at the end by way of sexual right. Because I said, judge, who say will be life. Would be a family, any attempt to who say will be life. And he wanted as a record to throw away 70-page judgment. The court said no. And I'm telling you, yesterday, the court, what they did was act and right. So states in Tiasia.
They say the only Honorable Ken Agyapong and somebody there is
filing appeal, but appeal no one pursued
Supreme Court dear no.
No process near a bit technical on Tiasia.
Okay.
After High Court, when he lost Ology appeal or Court of Appeal.
Okay.
Then he filed Seshurara. High Court, ARDB officer, or we need power to do it. And your friend said, without jurisdiction. And I said, the judge who sat on the matter at the High Court, he was so biased.
Okay.
And I said, there is clear error on the face of the judgment. Satre and UAC, not Supreme Court, because they have supervisory jurisdiction over the High Court and the Court of Appeal. So he came under two of them and said, the judge was biased, and then the judge lacked jurisdiction, making session decisions. And the court said no. By majority decision, the court said no. But then no finally appeal. If the appeal no so finally, your period be so one pursue it will be thrown out of the system.
Okay.
It means person ACC. Anyhow, see a human.
And see, when you say or Nyantechi and then the lawyers, no, they are making a headway in the case.
Of course. I doubt whether the state to pursue this matter again. When a bear witness. Find a bear witness.
So Anas was going to serve as the star witness, Anna.
Yes, because there was another one. I don't know who here. And Anas says he will make my bear witness, you see. But make up a man. Now the law will not allow you because only a security person who and that law. The Supreme Court said it first, but Court of Appeal said even you, the lower court judge, the trial judge, or some can follow stare decisis. A Latin word. Higher decision from a higher court, you are bound to follow it as a lower court, even if you don't agree with it.
Okay.
They're by force. They're by force.
Now, guy, no, or the original video, no name, someone who do, or you safe there.
Oh, you're safe, pa. No, he's smarter than us.
No, in the head, man.
He's smarter than him. He's way smarter than him. He's a very sharp guy. He's a very sharp guy. And on one else, very sharp guy. Oh, you're safe. Oh, you're safe. Oh, no, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, so your investigations, Nibia now.
No, you be not saying, remember, we said, investigation here.
Okay.
We said the colleague back. I will say, you may investigation here. You only have best me.
Okay.
And or catch the colleague reply and say, a man must survive. It is something you do, but you're gonna for it, take care of our son.
Yeah, I didn't send
the too. To catch out the system, never break.
Mr. Jonas Afum says, Abna, in the case between the state and Mr. Nyantechi, he should not worry. The new Attorney General will discontinue it. Or because Mr. Nyantechi is an NPP member, he will still continue the case. I know they're to me and say so. But we
see a bear so discontinue a bear one of the cases why in the right way.
Okay.
Because in this case, only evidence. Only evidence to pursue the matter. And to you are bound to fail.
Okay.
And I want to so any panel, you're quite a malicious prosecution, no pursue states. It's you know there. When you sit people down and explain to them, say the reason and not reasons in here or discontinue are better. Or better say. Be a better say.
Okay.
And the word is nolly prosecai.
Okay.
Not quite kai.
Nolly prosecai.
Nolly prosecai.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, that's it. And see, a bunny say, yeah, Miss Nyantechi, and so whole quine said, or day announcing in a Juma, why you no court for so we're going to do once.
Oh, yes, with the earlier evidence now, the original evidence now. Yes, he can do that.
Okay.
He can do that. It is within his right to pursue him on that tangent.
Say, or state now to us be man, he can do that.
Even state to us cry, he can still go ahead and do it. But a better say state be castle and San Waesa. A better say state be castle.
Because I think where the woman is impossible.
There be for me. And you talk to any lawyer who can look through the lens and be sincere, and he will tell you. Impossible. Unless more evidence here. But the evidence now, we don't know about vigilance. I know problem catching on Christian. Said no one over there, but they are impossible.
Well, Yamra Attorney General Fufro Yawa Bay. And when you say, oh, dear, we lawyer need the Unimino, and you may be aware in the past. Or by ye, I say, cases be an a woho. To say opening said Wagongo, or for swamp of Nekwa Kubwa Hendia, and the can be brave, former deputy governor of the Bank of Ghana, dear. Nina no assisted no any interested in tea or file nolly prosekai.
Yeah.
Send your walk on. And say, no, any pebby, dear or can say, is that a way to go? Because you see a fight corruption, dear. Now say your boy be going to separate negative shiny dream with you, no, didn't watch him. I didn't see and I state in the workers as 7 on to us with you.
And yeah, the constitution is being amendments because you're a friend articulated.
Article 88.
Only Attorney General.
Okay.
He's mentioning the constitution. Or it's so powerful when it comes to initiation of criminal matters and civil matters for and on behalf of the government of Ghana. Now, at any time before the end of investigations, a case pending in court in respect of criminal cases, he can file on the and discontinue the matter. However, say who is a political, not say, lose less 4 years elections because Oman full trial, acquitted and discharged. A new Attorney General, if he's from the MPP, can start the process. And the money is dangerous. And the Encomoya Rieno, the Enkabab one say, Cobabana Rie, what the conviction, Bama, President, so
presidential party.
Oman a party. Near who said, or we, but we know, and Paibo, see, on another thing, probably any say, sound and political persecution. Jenny or Twasso. But this should be worried. They say, former Attorney General. I didn't know ultimately all day 188 charges about one person. Now, ultimately compressed charges.
Okay.
Because you see, lawyer now we open lawyer, some could do very good lawyer, solid one. A tono, some could do one count to be a semba one about appeal to court of appeal. And this was
and not drag case.
Exactly. And frustration is part of law. To frustrate the other side is part of law.
And that is
you,
what they
you may not be happy, but it is part of law. And Sam Kudo is good. And I'm telling you, Sam Kudo may be NDC, but I respect him so much because what the court, no, so media channel will come and tell you, do this, do that. That's a mark of a good lawyer.
Okay. And so now we are open lawyer and Kazana way.
Who do you take? They take the baby in the way. You really say you. Lawyer Makupa, you was a very good obo. Was there any obo I cry about appeal? And Samia Saba.
Then said lawyers and so for more.
Oh, because he understood no high court no more appeal. So we got over that said.
Now Kobasa.
On interim matters. And yes, substantive one. It's in our kind judgment is ruling.
Ruling, yeah.
The final
substantive way no
will come from the High Court.
Okay.
Oh, a duke of 88 cases, a charges. Uncompressing.
Seven so no compressing ye because sir.
Be relevant. That's a power not Attorney General they are discontinue matter. Who are the same power to overlook some of the charges.
Okay. And so
you look at the serious ones. If there is any, may I say minimum because I mean but I'm saying in respect of the non-prosecution, new Attorney General probably perceive it as political persecution. It's in the our tools are lying. But the old one, Senka or compressive charges, 10 charges cry. I don't care conviction evidence, which I say and Kaba. But you don't go and charge with so many charges. If you are no, I cannot discontinue. No, I start filing new charges.
Yes.
Yes. I mean, no. As I now sound well in the eye of the legal fraternity. Because if we say what evidence are the court. Now then, after you walk out, I was about to you draw. Now me the way back. You have to be because an American or liberty at stake. It will come up on ye. Who come up on ye? Yes, sir. Son of a
I'm better to actually say.
Because who is political cases? Son College down that they if I stand to be corrected, 27 charges or so.
On Saglemeno.
On Sagleme. Current finance minister there, and Umpukra there, but no some about you.
Ambulance
and some about you. A bisu minimum, not your bonus. So But how you conduct the case?
And you want to say former attorney general and any team, no one conducted these cases.
And you only team, maybe at the point of my name, as political cases. Why do you go to court as an attorney general? Who pay for court? I have MPP communicators and party executives. No, do it. MPP executives, they do it.
And
once you have strong DPP, solid woman, very strong one on the team.
Director of Public Prosecution.
Yes. He was once Mr. Agyapong when I joined
Obobisa, yes.
I want a strong team. Now we can't party apparatchiks anyway.
Ebanisana, I say you are not representing the state.
Exactly, who your party Juma. It's too much to great. I don't know anyway. We are Attorney General. A so powerful position. Very powerful. Tina article 88. Uko now upia na ayi party for the omu business ne say. We are political case. Sasa na baba. Enti amenya ka no krankyere. Nya sa ntimi ko animu. Nya sa ntimi ko animu. Enti se ebia asem na ampampo a na amenya conviction. Abontin for to mega sa believe one mo ha NDC for. Ene sasa na tie.
Yes, and the omu bo omu betwem. What you tell me?
Oh, yeah, power near the man. As an attorney general, you have the power.
Now, can say, Attorney General says, only Posika, yeah, king, a toby to me, trading a constitution.
Of course, because you're the upper one. So, I don't know, in charge of initiation of criminal cases and civil cases on behalf of the government. And he acts on the client in a republic.
Yeah.
On the client in a republic, yes. And he feel said, I just have a call now case here. Or you're doing us media to the quiet bring you open court. The same thing. It is based on the evidence available to him or assessing of any more. This one, we should discontinue it. Or Sapa one. But when we worry, I'm catching on. You don't go to court as an attorney general and bring MPP executives, any party communicators. We are aware press conference of fun.
Yeah, some of the cases.
We need to see cases against the opponent. Do you do that? Maybe some. If you are what you are so bad.
Oh yeah, okay. Imagine I could say, idea a year state, the Republic versus somebody. Yeah, Connie, we are Nanka, Attorney General, and Director of Prosecution. Nanka,
solid woman.
Now, come on, actually, much Ghana for, but they do, baby, cases need a while. Now, I quite say, we are
Attorney General, Attorney General. Cases do open is be a Chiquai court.
Okay.
Cases do open is be a Chiquai court. And so, one other appeal, you mean one other, the man is here.
Yeah, Mumba, a case.
I can't say one of Attorney General.
And say, yeah, queer, you mean, say, and you pay being so can say a basadia na and Camia say political class, or Mudi Bonia, or my buying bar, a bit discontinue case. A basa, prior corruption, now you perceive twice a year, when I am money buffer. Not a policy.
I said, Ghana for you, account they contribute to because see, Obiko school, BMP to NDC. Test contain or quack to me a casa we are not communication experts on your mother power by an minister. Yeah, the minister see you and check now. It's in a medicine for young men on Casson. Now we have a service. It's a woman in the Pandibia or when you're careful because almost the idea of reckoning at the higher. Is a year Ghana for you? Say the person who works support the panel for 12 party na party. Yes, I know say that.
There's a corruption in the instrument to us. You
cry old grandpa for you.
Say there will be anyone and not could die.
Cry grandpa you.
A basayan to me.
Grab me the money and see how frying from to I don't know, I don't know,
I went here. I
went to but I know said God your culture also play part.
Okay.
I know it's with time. I know what best just that what the appointment subsequent exception of four. So a young man, a chance. We are also my young man chance they do. A young man of America, yeah, no secretary of Libino. Or don't mind you at the age of 18, or even high school can know. It's 21, 18, or if you one and about 29. What for the Muda? To an appointment. And you know, so be a not fresh on your mother. Open fantastic problems.
Okay. National agenda and when you go to our share when the two sono sound so and uti and aha oman 107.1 FM. Yene lawyer Ralph Agyapong and aging como. You already know your casa edia fa or versus the Republica and now there was obedi dance here or say obekatanim and sana or babedi a dance here or minimum and court of appeal edi ni ruling about or see there be. Oyenesa enye and a lawyer Ralph can say although the woman said state no enko baby with sa case because nipa no or no na star witness no so in any media dance here it will be difficult say omubenya obia obeba bedi dance here e was sa asemnimu and I say yati attorney general for ya wa be ya cases ni bebre e wo hono mu a o say enya de say obeto so na ye gu so ayedi e ho enkomo no obetumi a join the feed no e wo na 2TV GH on YouTube the 2TV GH on YouTube e hono all the messages go on mu e prepare making kan nyina ama lawyer say now we can say who be here said to me I did ama attorney general or no na or initiating cases now or prosecuting no I was say you share and once I can say bia who making recommendation to omo amampani you almost say omo constitution review no and can then now
simple the obet me can say before attorney general because say or person finally not prosecute you should convince the judge set the reason and the reasons and the grounds in here. And yes, I also to a case I shall also to a
okay.
I don't know a bit me because with that a judge has no power. Tino they are be trained to say I say acquitted and discharged. No, it's only the court that can acquit you or convict.
Yes,
the judge cannot acquit you. He can discharge you. He can acquit you. On your court, he's a lawyer for the Republic.
And see, need now why you discharge or on to me.
Of course, discharge or not prosecutor. He's not interested in the matter, and they are discharge you. So the court will discharge you. So go. But for an acquittal, it is only the judge. I don't stand to correct it. What I'm saying is a fact. Because only the court that because if you say he said if you say he said that 10 general can acquit, then he can convict. Then he can convict, but only some power. Power way, non-prosecutor, then you will be discharged by the court.
And okay, and you know, say a bass a beer or more person or more a twasso, no more cocoa acquittal now, and on a bit me or more case in
maybe me now, the only do about court so only interested be my uncle to the
I see.
Oh, you saw a job by force, my wife. Obey wasn't in Pobia. Was it Debbie changing on me? Was me Pobia was it Debbie? No one.
Okay. And say but I never since and was said in future no attorney general be banners of
because in our republic you need statute of limitation or criminal offenses so
okay
to say it be other jurisdictions and ka it be 2-3 years you in charge you na a criminal there it be 100 years no the bonne near poacho ya chiwa you be charge you put before court so far as the evidence remains available in your conviction I will go prison.
Okay. And they can say assembly a change when pro. Okay. Yeah, it's a CMA Institute a constitutional review committee. I nra wasi omo in odi omo adwuma hye omo sa o practice mra no ache ene ma ben sa na ho senke sesa
11 years experience
11 years se bi wo se o ye nipa na o ye oba nkwa ya baiwa ene ma ben sa na ho ne se Ghana yesesa e wo ye constitution ni mu ana se ye ye ni yi a enka beboa
no man the doors but no man in shada no so because me I don't believe in say ube wholesale change our amendments.
Okay.
They say America constitution is the oldest constitution. I did 200 and somewhat years. But my amendments. And your honor baby officer a require amendments now. You bet me actually. They are son. But unfortunately for me, when we say my over 900 pages, I mean share be.
Okay.
But articulated is a amendment.
Okay.
The
powers of the Attorney General.
Exactly. Or say you're limited na presidential powers. The president of Ghana is the most powerful person in the world. The president of Ghana, by way of an appointment, is the most powerful person because you see,